Please be advised, this podcast is not suitable for all audiences. Graphic and disturbing audio is used to help describe our content. Violence, rape, and murder is the subject of our stories, so please be advised. This is your warning.
1, 2, 3, 4.
In the quiet, tight-knit community of Brigham City, Utah, Kevin Robert Christensen was a pillar of trust for nearly 3 decades since his appointment to the Box Elder County Justice Court in 1996. He presided over misdemeanor cases with a steady, swift hand. His gavel, a symbol of justice and fairness. To the public, he was a respectable figure, a 64-year-old Mormon church member, and a man who spoke to youth groups about the virtues of justice. But beneath his distinguished black robe lurked a darkness that would destroy his career and leave a community questioning its leaders. It was February 28, 2025, when the FBI's Child Exploitation and Human Trafficking Task Force received a tip that would start a wildfire that would burn through the community. An anonymous source reported suspicious activity on KIK, a chat app known for its anonymity. Someone in Box Elder County was using the platform to discuss truly dark and unfathomable acts of sexual abusing and exploiting children. As agents dug deeper, the trial led to a chilling revelation. The account belonged to none other than Judge Christensen. The investigation uncovered a treasure trove of graphic conversations. In one, Christensen, believing he was speaking to a 13-year-old girl, sent explicit videos and steered the chat towards sexual topics. In another, he exchanged nude images with a user claiming to be 16. Never questioning her age, he bragged about watching child sexual abuse material and even hinted at abusing children close to him. Claims now under intense scrutiny. When confronted, Christensen dismissed the chats as fantasy, but the evidence told a different story. He had solicited and shared illegal material, and after a co-conspirator's arrest, he deleted evidence to cover his tracks. The plot thickened when investigators uncovered Christensen's connection to Ned Brady Hansen, Tremonton's former fire chief. The two men, it turned out, had a sexual relationship and shared explicit chats about abusing children. In a jaw-dropping twist, Christensen had presided over Hansen's initial court appearance in January 2025, releasing him on bail despite prosecutors' pleas to keep him detained. Christensen never disclosed their illicit communications, a decision now that reeked of corruption and betrayal. On March 6, 2025, the gavel bellowed, a decisive and stern verdict on Christensen's own fate. He was arrested and booked into Davis County Jail, charged with 8 felonies: enticing minors, dealing in harmful materials, attempted sexual exploitation, and obstruction of justice. The community was in disbelief. "It breaks my heart," said Sherry Lynn Tibbetts, a local resident. "They are supposed to be leaders," fumed Charlie Groberg. Echoing the anger of a town blindsided by the scandal, Christensen's downfall was quick and precise. On March 10th, he resigned from the bench, his letter of retirement a feeble attempt to salvage dignity. The Utah Supreme Court was notified and a replacement process began. But the damage was done. His first court appearance on March 20th, showed him in prison garb instead of his usual prestigious robe. He faced Judge Joseph Bean, who read out penalties that could lock him away for decades. Family and friends devastated, hugged outside the courtroom, grappling with the unthinkable. "I've known Kevin his whole life," said Linda Cotter, a family friend. "I can't believe it's real." The scandal sent shockwaves through the legal community, causing the case to be moved to Ogden. Legal experts speculated about federal charges, noting Christensen's post-arrest admissions to investigators. A rookie mistake for a seasoned judge. He snitched on himself, said defense attorney Clayton Sims, marveling the irony. The story of Kevin Christensen is a distinct reminder of how power can mask provision, and how trust, once broken, leaves a community questioning its very fabric of our legal system as just and fair. As Tremonton grapples with the fallout, questions linger. How did a man entrusted with justice be allowed to prey on the most vulnerable? And what other secrets lie buried in the shadows of authority? For now, Christensen awaits his next hearing in 2025, his fate hanging in the balance as the town he once served tries to heal. Thanks for listening, and tune in for the next story from The Law Is Mine. If there's a story that you would like to hear, please comment, and also give us your thoughts and comments on this story. We would love to hear it. Thanks again.